Bro's getting juked. Oh, Sable Biscuit, you're getting juked. Yes, I got him. All right, everybody put the rocks in the volcano.
You're fat. But let me try to make a trick shot. Let me try a trick shot. Let me try a trick shot.
Come here. No, you messed me up with that one.
Go, did I?
I got him.
No.
I'm gonna do the slide choke in lava. Come on. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. No, never mind.
Wow. Oh my god. You're totally tricking me out.
I won't let you, man. You even understand a chance against this guy.
I know, because I wait till they're telling you a jump or something, then I tag him.
Hold on, guys. Watch me do the slide choke in lava. Ah, I messed up. No.
Sayu, make a YouTube video.
Yeah, I'm already did. You're on right now.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Damn, did you get when I juked this kid out? Like crazy?
Oh yeah. When you were about the volcano.
Sayu.
Damn.
Sayu, I know. How about?
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
No!
Sayu,
You gotta admit I juked you. Can we do no more lava, please? I hate the lava.
wait,
No.
guys, how about we do casual?
No.
Why casual?
Yeah, there's no point of being in casual. There's no action. There's no action in casual.
Nothing.
Bro, it's for the views.
What do you mean?
Because infection gets more views.
I found the lava. I'm coming to get you. You know that, right? Where'd she go?
Where'd you go?
Ah! I hit the bed. I hit my bed.
I'm gonna be here.
Oh! No!
Okay, bro just got me thinking. Technically, guys, the ocean is a soup.
My headset's very low. We have to end this video quick.
And there's water.
Vegetables. And there's water.
Especially when there are guys in the pool, then there's more meat.
My god. Oh my god. What did Broski just say? What did Broski just say?
Bro, this video isn't made for kids, though.
I said nothing.
Where the hell
Oh.
is... Where the hell is Sable?
I don't know.
I simp. But I will smack you up, punk. But you didn't juke anything.
I actually kind of said it wrong.
Stop.
Don't sleep. Nah, I'm gonna smack you to sleep.
No! Sable Biscuit.
Who's hiding in
Where are you? You have to be in forest.
But if you don't come out, then I will take off the hat.
I will take your balls.
All the gold.
I want to be the only cloud hat.
Bro.
Where is he?
He's in mountains, probably. I'll go to mountains.
Probably. I don't know.
Oh,
Probably.
I'm going to basement.
Sage, please.
They're quite stupid, aren't they?
Where are you, Sable Biscuit?
She's not in there.
He's not in mountains.
He's not in basement.
Might be in clouds.
Might be.
I think. Might be, or will. She might be in beach. She might be in beach.
I see you, Sable Biscuit.
You see who?
Yeah, that's where you are.
I see him. Where'd he go?
I missed. How did I miss the first one? How did I miss? That's in the graveyard.
Goes in the graveyard. Come on.
Get back to treehouse.
Goes in the graveyard. Goes in the graveyard.
Go. Sid, did you even hear me scream?
Ah!
I heard you scream very much. How did you shoot me? You goofy goober. You goofy goober. Now,
Wait, watch me.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me. Oh, I can't. I'm not.
I'm not trying anymore. Guys, my head's literally about to die.
Hey, goober. That's a goofy goober move. That's a goofy goober. That's a goofy goober move. I'll say a bottle of water. If you let me tell you, I'll say a bottle of water. In the accent. You don't want to do it?
Guys, everybody fill volcano up. It won't work on me. It's glitched.
You just gotta keep going, you know? You just gotta keep doing it. See? I told you.
No, it's glitched for me. It made that same sound, but it didn't go. The alarm didn't go off. Guys, I'm charging my headset while playing.
Do you not see the lava?
Yes, I do. What percentage is my headset at? 3.
Me and you, buddy.
3.
Big overs. Bro, get back to the map.
Cheese.
What the?
It's yummy, you know?
No, stone.
If I make, can I tag that Sable Biscuit's friend? Cause I can't really play. He does all the work for me. Cause I can't play.
What do you mean, which one? Put your hands in the water. Put both your hands. Bunk. Oh, damn.
There's a little lava monster in there, you know?
Yeah. My headset's really charging while I play. 4% now.
I'm dead.
2%.
Come on, this is the only way I can move.
Bro! I duked you out. Bro, I will kiss you if you do not shut up.
But all you do is just go like this is you.
I go. Bro, can't even
What the? I just opened Sear.
Bro, shut up or I'll kiss you.
Nah. What the heck?
Do it again.
I'm making this video not for kids, bro. This is not for kids.
Do it again. Do it again.
What the heck?
Pole dancing.
Again. Wait.
Guys, we're gonna have to end the video soon.
We know how to.
Cause my headset's running low.
What's in the video? Bro, I said put this in the goddamn. Watch this. The pole dancer.
I'm just waiting, you know?
Who wants to end the video
I
off?
can't do it. But you know what you do? You go.
How do you have such quick
What you do?
reactions?
You go.
Who wants to end the video off?
I will.
I need somebody to do. I need somebody to do a 360 off tall tree.
Actually,
And you really
Yeah.
have short arms.
I need somebody to do a 360 off tall tree.
To like and subscribe to hear me say a bottle of water.
You already did.
Still, what the hell? I just see like a duck or something in the water, no, the lava. I can do it. That's it.
Okay, go. Come on. Oh,